Hey guys, it's Wally from Impulse Labs. I'm back from paternity leave to help clear up a common misconception we see: the difference between steady power and steady temperature. They are not the same thing. To help illustrate that difference, I'm going to heat up 2 pans with butter at medium. Lots of induction stoves market themselves as having steady power or steady heat. By this they mean the amount of energy going to the burner remains constant over time. That doesn't mean the burner stays the same temperature over time, only that the amount of energy going to it stays constant. That's what I'm doing on the burner on the left here. I'm using power mode on impulse to put 800 watts into the pan. That's medium on a normal stove. You can think about steady heat like an electric car with no gears. If you push the gas pedal halfway down, the amount of power going to the wheels remains constant, but your speed is still increasing. The same is true with steady heat. The pan's temperature is changing, but at a steady rate. Honestly, I'm not really sure why so many companies market this feature. It seems like table stakes to me. Steady temperature, on the other hand, is like cruise control for your stove. You set the target pan temperature, and Impulse Cooktop automatically adjusts the power in the background to stay at the target. That's what I'm doing with the pan on the right. I set it to 300 Fahrenheit, which is what people generally translate to medium. But unlike the pan on the left, which is still getting hotter with steady heat, the pan on the right hits its target temperature, and then the stove backs the power down to make sure the butter doesn't burn. Impulse's temperature mode lets you cook with a steady temperature, which means you can make the perfect fried egg every single time. You can temper chocolate without a double boiler, and you'll never burn anything unless you want to. And what about those stoves that have steady heat? Well, your butter still burns. Oh, and one small side note, most induction stoves that market themselves as having steady heat actually don't. At least not at low temperatures. Their hardware can't support constant low power output, so they fake it by turning the burner on and off, click, 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 every second or so when the power level is below 50%.